Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to rotate canvas inside of your design in Canva. So the question is, can you rotate, let's say, a horizontal document into a vertical document? Is it possible? Well, the short answer is no, it's not possible. You cannot create a canvas. Let's say I have this vertical document and then I want to rotate the entire thing to be a horizontal document, and it's even more impossible if you just want to apply that to just a specific page. Canva cannot do that, unfortunately. But the closest thing we can do are either rotating the document, like rotating all the elements, or you can also try to create a copy and then resize the new document. For example, I have this vertical document and I could just go to resize, and I'm going to turn this into a horizontal orientation. I'm going to select, let's say, presentations, and yeah, I'm going to use 1920 by 1080p. So previously it was 1080p by 1920, but now I'm choosing this one. So it's the opposite of the aspect ratio that I'm having right now. And after that, you want to click copy and resize. So Canva will try to redesign everything that you have in this document into a new format that is wildly different. It's not going to be perfect, but sometimes it is good enough. So this is the preview. I think it looks pretty good, and we can click open presentation to see the result of the conversion. And there you go, this is the result, and I think it's not disappointing. It's not the best, and you can see there are some extra spaces that we could use, but this is at least something that we can do in Canva. Another method is simply by just rotating all the elements inside of the existing document. Like you keep the orientation, but the elements are in a different direction. So let me give you an example. I have this second page, and the simple way to rotate all the elements is just selecting all. You can click and drag anywhere to cover all the elements in this page, and you want to click group. So previously it was like this, and then you want to click group, and later you'll see that there's only one rotating button. You can click on it and drag it to the left or to the right to rotate this particular element. Now usually the background is not going to be involved, but in case you want, you can actually detach the background. Right click on it and click detach image from the background, and only after that we can rotate the document to a different direction. And there you go. And I'm going to make it bigger, and lastly, let's put it to the back, or like that, send it to back. So it's very close. It's not perfect, but yeah, that's another alternative that you can try. This is probably only work if you have a square document like this one. I could, for example, group them together again, and I could rotate the whole thing, and I just need to make some minor adjustment to make it look great. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the two methods you can try to rotate canvas inside of Canva. I hope you found this video helpful.